The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision attack launched by Russian Aerospace Forces at a provisional base of the 406th Artillery Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, deployed in Apostolovo, Dnepropetrovsk region, has resulted in the elimination of up to 200 servicemen, 9 artillery cannons and military equipment. Attack launched by Russian artillery at the positions of the Donbass nationalist group, deployed near Verkhnekamenskoye, has resulted in the elimination of over 60 militants. Attacks launched by operational tactical aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces has resulted in the elimination of over 50% of personnel of the 2nd Battalion from the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery continue launching attacks at the military facilities in Ukraine. The list of neutralized targets includes 12 command posts, 4 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots near Nikanorovka, Donetsk People's Republic, and Nikolaev, as well as 226 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. Within the counter-battery warfare, 3 Grad MRLS platoons have been neutralized near Adamovka, Slavyansk and Seversk. 3 Msta-S self-propelled artillery system platoons, 9 Msta-B artillery gun platoons, 24 D-20 artillery howitzer platoons, and 15 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery platoons have been neutralized at their firing positions near Zvanovka, Paraskoviyevka, Opytnoye, Vesyoloye, Razdolovka, Bakhmutskoye, Vodyanoye, Georgiyevka, Chasov Yar, Serebryanka and Kamyshevakha in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have destroyed 11 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Topolskoye, Dmitrovka, Novaya Gnilitsa, Malaya Kamyshevakha, Bolshie Prokhody in Kharkov region, Ternovye Pody, Kalinovka in Nikolaev region, Tsurupinsk in Kherson region, Karsisk and Gorlovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 260 airplanes and 144 helicopters, 1,600 unmanned aerial vehicles, 357 air defense missile systems, 4,146 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 763 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,185 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 4,453 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.